If you don't like pointless gadgets but still love late-night tech nosh, then stick around. We'll test 5 bits that promise the future, likely your disappointment. Spoiler, tea and skepticism included. Divoom times gate, futuristic RGB clock that doubles as a mood disco. Looks cool, useful? Mostly. Science, 710. Claude Note, AI recorder, records and auto-transcribes. Pretends it knows your meetings better than you do. Handy for lazy note-takers. Science, 810. Rainio Air 3's AR glasses. Futuristic, slightly smug. Will they replace your phone? Not yet, but neat heads-up tech. Science, 610. Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Cavitation magic that actually cleans rings without elbow grease. Very science-y. Science, 910. Magnetic power bank for iPhone. Looks like the future. Charges like the present. Speed varies, convenience wins. Science, 710. Final verdict, mostly solid tech, a pinch of marketing glitter, and a proper cup of British skepticism. Subscribe for more gadget verdicts.